What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset an encrypted WhatsApp password on your mobile device. Losing access to your WhatsApp backups due to a forgotten encrypted password can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to restore your data from a Google Drive. First, it's essential to understand that the encrypted backup password or key is crucial for accessing your backups or transferring them to a new device. If you've forgotten your password, WhatsApp offers a couple recovery options. When prompted to restore your backup, select I forgot my password if you used a password, or choose I used an encryption key if you opted for the 64-digit key. For those who have their encryption key, you can simply enter it to proceed with restoring your data. However, many users either don't remember the encryption key or didn't set it up in the first place. If you're in this situation, you need to follow a different path to recovery. Return to the previous page and select I forgot my password. You'll be redirected to WhatsApp's official site on your mobile browser. On this page, scroll down until the very end, tap on Contact Us, and then determine your version of WhatsApp, Standard or Business. After determining your WhatsApp version, tap on Contact Us next to your WhatsApp version. You'll now be required to fill in some details to help WhatsApp assist you. These include selecting your country, entering your WhatsApp phone number, providing a valid email address for communication, confirming your email address, choosing your current device, and explaining your issue in the message box. Be clear that you've forgotten your password and need assistance restoring your WhatsApp backup from your Google account. After submitting your request, your message will be sent to WhatsApp's support team, who will assist you in the recovery process. It might take some time, so patience is key. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.